First up, viewers, Arvind Kejriwal has claimed that Union Home Minister Amit Shah, BJP leader, he has not visited Ram Temple. AAP Supremo also said that he couldn't find a record on the matter. He also claimed that he went through Amit Shah's public timeline and it showed that he had not even visited the Ram Temple even once. This is according to Arvind Kejriwal. He further added that Amit Shah has mentioned Lord Ram 42 times in his speeches but has not sought darshan at the temple so far. Kejriwal even posed 5 questions to Amit Shah, and these are the questions that he posed, and I quote, "Why haven't you visited the Ram temple? Don't you feel like seeking the blessings of Lord Ram? Don't you wish to visit the Ram temple? Do you need Lord Ram? Do you consider Lord Ram to be God?" These are the 5 questions that Arvind Kejriwal has posed before Amit Shah. He also termed the SIT a scam and said that he will hold a separate press briefing on the matter. Listen in.
आज अमित शाह जी से 5 प्रश्न पूछना चाहता हूं। आप राम मंदिर क्यों नहीं गए? ये मैं नहीं पूछ रही, देश की जनता पूछना चाहती है, आप राम मंदिर क्यों नहीं गए? दूसरा प्रश्न, क्या आपका भगवान राम के दर्शन करने को मन नहीं करता? तीसरा प्रश्न, क्या आपका राम मंदिर जाने को मन नहीं करता? चौथा प्रश्न, क्या आपको भगवान राम के आशीर्वाद की जरूरत है? और पांचवा और सबसे अहम प्रश्न, क्या आप रामचंद्र जी को भगवान मानते हैं? ये लोग भगवान रामचंद्र जी को भगवान मानते ही नहीं है।
Well, that was Arvind Kejriwal slamming Union Home Minister Amit Shah, questioning him about why he hasn't visited Ram Mandir. Along with that, 4 other questions that have been posed by Arvind Kejriwal to Union Home Minister Amit Shah. And those questions are on your screens, viewers. The second question he asked was, don't you believe in Lord Ram? He also, in fact, went on to say that SIT on the entire Ram Janmabhoomi Tirtha Kshetra Trust donation loot case, he has called the SIT a complete scam, and he also vowed to address another press conference on the matter. Listen in.
ये आंखों में धूल झोंक रहे हैं सब लोगों की। ये फर्जी SIT है, फर्जी FIR है, इन सब का कोई मतलब नहीं है। जो असली चोर हैं उनको बचाया जा रहा है। क्यों बचाया जा रहा है? पूरे देश के लोग पूछ रहे हैं, क्यों बचा रहे हैं? बड़े बड़े लोगों को क्यों बचा रहे हैं? छोटे छोटे लोगों के पीछे पड़े हुए।
In fact, we have our input editor Brijesh Pandey joining us live on this broadcast. Brijesh, a very good afternoon to you. These are some serious allegations made by Arvind Kejriwal, calling the FIR a lame duck FIR, SIT a scam, and he has also questioned, Asta of Amit Shah in Lord Ram.
Well, I think, Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party have adopted a very aggressive approach vis-a-vis what has the embezzlement of fund and, loot of donation at Ram Temple. And if you remember, first when the issue came out in public and people said that, the many who tried to defend the Bharatiya Janata Party by saying that the administration had no knowledge, to which, Sanjay Singh, who is Aam Aadmi Party a member of parliament, he produced at least 4 letters which he said that he has written to administration and administration has taken no cognizance of it. The fact is that Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party have been very aggressive as far as this fund embezzlement at Ram Temple is concerned, and they want to put the BJP down on the mat by asking these questions. And if you look at the tonality of the question, it is very clear that they want to corner Home Minister Amit Shah by saying that why hasn't he visited, even after this, the whole embezzlement thing has come out to notice, and more importantly, what exactly is the SIT doing? And this is one question which, many are asking for sure, for the reason that why, those 8 names were there, but the other 2-3 names who were, the people in position of power to actually influence what was happening there. Why were they not named there? Why were they named not there in the FIR, and why haven't they been arrested so far? So I think, this is one political issue which Aam Aadmi Party is going to capitalize and would want to hit out at the BJP repeatedly. And Arvind Kejriwal has made its intention, Deepak, very, very clear that, you want to choose this particular issue to the best of his ability by announcing that, tomorrow he's going to hold another press conference to point out how this entire, setting of an SIT is nothing but a collusion between different people, so that, the small, the minnows get arrested, but the people who are the actual perpetrators, as per Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party, they will be completely absolved of their guilt.
And some are even saying, Brijesh, that Arvind Kejriwal is trying to be relevant, because he's lost his relevance after Delhi poll debacle. Now he's finding some sort of a relevance in this entire political landscape that has, erupted over the donation case.
Well, I think, more than relevance, we also have to remember that there is an election in Punjab next year. And the fact of the matter is that Aam Aadmi Party is the party which is the ruling government in the election of Punjab. And this is one issue, if the shoe was on the other foot, the BJP would have also been very aggressive in, pointing to the embezzlement of funds and how donations by the devotees were siphoned off and all. They would have raised it. Why a political party is raising this particular issue is not the question. The point is that, the election round the corner, the BJP feels that it has an issue at hand through which it can, hit out at the Bharatiya Janata Party. And this is exactly what Arvind Kejriwal is doing. I think this is exactly what any other opposition party would have done.